Next, the size of row 1 should be changed. From here, select row 1. In Properties, in Simple Settings, you can change the height and width. For height, select Absolute Size and type 120. I will keep width like this. Next, in row 1, in this way, in Add Components under Image, an image box is added. Let's rename this image to My Pic. I click the Rename button here in the Properties, and instead of Image 1, I will give as My Pic. As we have not yet uploaded an image to this image box, here for Picture, no file source is displayed. I want to add an image here. Here, click on the box next to the picture and click Upload Files. Now you can select an image and upload it. Next, let's change the size of this image. Here I select Absolute Size for height and the width is given 100 each. Now again, let's add a row to the right side of the image. I drag a row under Layout in Add Component like this. Okay, a new row called row 4 was added here, but it is not added to the right side of the image, right? From the box showing components, let's drag row 4 below My Pic image. Now look at the screen. It is fine, right? Next, let's add 3 buttons in row 4. In Add Components, 3 buttons under the user interface are dragged like this. The first button, that is button 1, I renamed it as button FB. In Properties, from Simple Settings, for height and width, select Absolute Size and give the value 50 each. In this button, I remove the text and give an image with the Facebook icon for the background picture. Also, let's change the background color of the button as #F8B195. Next, after selecting button 2 from here, I will rename it as button Insta. In Properties, from Simple Settings, for height and width, select Absolute Size and give values of 50 each. As before, I remove the text on this button and provide an image with the Instagram icon for the background picture. Also, the background color of the button is also changed to #F8B195. Now, all that's left is the button 3. Let's rename this button as button Phone. In Properties, from Simple Settings, for height and width, select Absolute Size and give values of 50 each. In this button, I will remove the text and give an image of the phone icon for the background picture. Also, the background color of the button is changed to #F8B195. Now it's done. Now the 3 buttons have been created. Next, I want to move these 3 buttons to the top right side of the row. For that, we need to change the alignment of the row. Since these 3 buttons are in row 4, we select row 4 and click Advanced Settings in Properties. Now, after clicking Positioning, Flex Start is given here for the alignment items. Now look at the screen. The 3 buttons have moved to the top of the row. Again, to move it to the right side, for Justify Content here, let's give Flex End. Okay.